Yep, left. It's a left, left, left. I'll wait for Kev.
Okay, mate.
All good?
Yeah. Do you want me to go in front of you, Wick?
Yeah. There you go.
Aye.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome along to day 3 of the Wild Atlantic Way tour. A bit duller today. We've just left Ballyholme. Today is about 205-mile ride to Ballyshannon, which I think is now near Galway. About 205 miles, about 5 hours of riding. Hopefully some nice lovely sights along the way to share with you, and hopefully be there for late afternoon or very early evening. It was a short ride yesterday, I think it was 96 miles yesterday, so slightly less, but a glorious ride all the same. And so yeah, I hope you'll join us on the route, and there's plenty for you to see. See you along the way. Nice scenery about to come into view.
Yep.
Apart from them
The sun wore out.
ugly things over there.
Yep, small the scenery.
Aye.
Danny boy, I'm with Danny boy. Danny boy.
Oh, was it?
Oh,
How'd I see that under there?
on the sign it was.
No.
Oh, the splendid looking church.
That's it, isn't it?
Oh,
Looks new, doesn't it? Looks modern.
Looks modern, yeah.
modern there.
Yeah.
I think they've just
That's nice, eh?
painted it
It
modern
is,
colours. Presbyterian.
Presbyterian, huh?
Well, that's a Kenny Manasla. I think we're heading towards Letterkenny, I think.
Right.
I think so. Right, well, we're actually in the Republic of Ireland now. We crossed the border about 20 minutes ago, just fueled up, and we're on our way to our first port of call today, which is a lighthouse. I forgot the name of, so I'll put it on the screen, and that'll be our first visit for the day. So yeah, we're now in the Republic of Ireland. Bit of rain, quite chilly today as well. Had to change gloves. Had to buy a hoodie in Portrush last night, as I'd foolishly left my sweatshirt at home. I don't know what got into me when I thought I wasn't going to need it. So wearing a hoodie, haven't got the lining out of my jacket or my trousers, and yeah, just comfortable, but it's not a warm day today. Signs for the Wild Atlantic Way there, and quite a stunning view out over the countryside as well. Beautiful. So yeah, so first visit is to a lighthouse, hopefully. And very well see you there. I think we're on the Wild Atlantic Way now.
Oh, wait.
I think so. The signs with a zigzaggy line.
Oh, right, yeah.
That's the route. Like you saw us at the NC 500 signs when we were up there.
Oh, I'm with you. I got you, yeah.
That's the. I think we're on the route. There. See that zigzaggy thing
Yeah,
on the side?
is that what that is?
That's what it is. Yeah.
Bloody hell.
Speed camera.
There it is. There. Look.
Yeah,
On the side. Yeah.
Atlantic Way.
I'm telling you, it's on the route. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's an interesting sculpture.
A sculpture, that, Dave?
I think so. They call them sculptures, don't
Some- Yeah, some kind of artwork, eh?
they? Yeah.
A bit dark over the back of Bill's mother's.
Don't look promising up
Yeah.
there, does it?
Oh, yeah.
Don't look promising at all.
Yeah, I've never seen so many bloody petrol stations.
I know.
Slow down there.
Turning left in just over half a mile.
Okay.
37 miles an hour.
How many, Dave?
37 miles an hour. Speed ramp.
Very bump, yeah. Oh, oh.
Oh.
You alright?
Yeah? Hey!
Right, so
Bloody hell.
left turn here somewhere. Slow it right down because it's 130 yards. Here it is. Okay.
Miserable day.
Yeah.
Horrible, isn't it?
It's all part of the adventure. That's how I look
That's
at
how
it.
you got to look at it, otherwise you'd get miserable.
Yeah. It's challenging.
Beautiful.
It just, I always think it makes you a better rider and that.
This is nice. That river, beautiful. Where's this?
Milford.
It's got the wall.
Kenny Keel.
Right.
Kenny Keel.
Decorate the stuff up nicely, don't they?
Yeah.
You see ya.
Okay. 50 miles an hour.
How fast, Dave?
50.
Oh, 50.
That'd be nice to look at if we could see it.
Oh,
Yeah.
Here they come. Oh, good.
All good.
Right, mate.
Okay, mate. Keep.
Yeah.
I think it's 3 miles, I think. Oh, come in. Oh, there's a stop there. Make sure you observe it. I didn't.
Right, mate. Stop sign, really.
Okay.
All good, mate. All good.
Okay. You skip.
Was it like this when you was in Scotland with Paul, Dave?
No, it was different to this. It was like really fine, horrible rain up there. It was just you could barely see it, but it soaked you. Your visor was covered in spots all the time. It was horrible.
Yeah.
I think we're in the clouds. That's what it was. It wasn't really raining. You were just above the cloud line.
You're laughing at us, huh?
Fucking hell, what's this thing?
This jacket's leaking. This jacket is.
Is it?
Really is. Yeah, it's gone straight through me.
Can you feel it, kid?
Yeah, on my arms, yeah. Yeah. Definitely.
Well, you got your jumper on the way, kid.
I have. Yeah. It's alright. It's alright, mate.
Could do with a piece, I could.
Yeah.
I don't know what. Chin shelly.
the left turn coming up.
Okay, mate.
And 50 yards,
Fine, Dave, is it?
20 yards, 110, 90 yards. This is it here, I think. Yeah, 50, 40.
50 kilometres in there, 30 mile an hour.
Yeah.
We'll see a bloody thing, can you?
50 kilometres an hour is 30 miles an hour.
30.
80
So
kilometres.
what's 80?
50 miles an hour.
50.
Yeah.
I can hardly see fucking anything.
Beautiful.
Their visors all steamed up, mate. Even though you've got it open a bit, it still steams up, doesn't it?
Yeah. And my glasses.
Yeah. I'm glad I ain't got any glasses on, lads, tell you the truth.
It's 7 miles to this lighthouse now.
Okay, Dave.
Seems to have abated slightly, to be fair.
You what, mate?
I think the rain's slightly abated. I've managed to get my visor up a little bit more. Still hitting me in the face, but oh well. It is what it is.
It is what it is, Dave. This is it.
Oh, but this would be an awesome road if it was dry.
Yeah.
Not running yet. Nice house.
Yeah, very nice.
Yeah, this would be a bloody fabulous road. Oh shit, okay.
Full tight.
Right, so you're gonna come. Oh, I've got to wait for you. And I'm going for you because you need to see this. There you are. Beautiful, if you can see it.
Yeah.
Ouch. Lorry coming up.
Great lorry.
Lovely village here. Beautiful. Wow.
Low battery.
Oh, look at that.
Beautiful, isn't it?
Lighthouse, Dave, here.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, shit. Oh, look at that down there.
Yeah. Bloody hell.
Where's the bus driver gone?
He's probably asleep on the backside.
Here we go.
Okay.
Ugh. Well, drown rats.
Yeah, absolutely.
We all
How
know.
good we
We all
love-
know.
Hey. Soaking wet.
Boots have all leaked in. They're supposed to be waterproof.
I learned
Oh,
about
dear.
supposed to be waterproof stuff the hard way.
Yeah, yeah, Dave.
And then when I went spent nearly £1,000 to stop it happening again.
I got over a feel. I'm soaking wet.
Battery status low.
Fanad Head Lighthouse.